Selhurst and East Croydon. This train has 6 coaches.
This is a passenger announcement.
Platform 12 is the 12:28 Southern service to London Victoria via Crystal Palace. Calling at New Cross Gate, Brockley, Honour Park, Forest Hill, Sydenham, Crystal Palace, Gypsy Hill, West Norwood, Streatham Hill, Balham, Wandsworth Common, Beckenham Junction, Battersea Park and London Victoria. Due to the short platform, passengers for West Norwood should board the front 7 coaches. This train has 8 coaches. Platform 12 for the 12:28 Southern service to London Victoria via Crystal Palace. The train at platform 14 is the 12:31 Southern service to East Croydon via Tulse Hill. Calling at South Bermondsey, Queen's Road, Peckham, Peckham Rye, East Dulwich, North Dulwich, Tulse Hill, Streatham, Streatham Common, Norbury, Thornton Heath, Selhurst and East Croydon. This train has 6 coaches. Platform 14 for the 12:31 Southern service to East Croydon via Tulse Hill.
station staff are here to help you with your journey and any questions you may have. Please respect all our staff. No one should have to tolerate threatening or abusive behaviour whilst doing their job. Let's work together to keep everyone's...
Platform 14 for the 12:44 Southern service to Beckenham Junction via Tulse Hill. Calling at South Burlington, Queen's Road, Peckham Rye, East Dunwich, North Dunwich, Tulse Hill, West Norwood, Gypsy Hill, Crystal Palace, Birkbeck and Beckenham Junction. This train has 6 coaches. The train at platform 11 is the 12:40 Southern service to Caterham and Tattenham Corner. Is the 12:44 Southern service to Beckenham Junction via Tulse Hill. Calling at South Burlington, Queen's Road, Peckham Rye, East Dunwich, North Dunwich, Tulse Hill, West Norwood, Gypsy Hill, Crystal Palace, Birkbeck and Beckenham Junction. service to London Victoria via Crystal Palace. Calling at New Cross Gate, Brockley, Honour Park, Forest Hill, Sydney, Crystal Palace, Gypsy Hill, West Norwood, Streatham Hill, Allen, Wandsworth Common, Caterham Junction, Battersea Park and London Victoria.
This train has 10 coaches. Due to short platforms, passengers for
West Norwood
should board the front.
7 coaches.
Passengers for
Battersea Park
should board the front.
8 coaches.
This is a passenger announcement. Smoking and vaping is not permitted in this station, including platforms or on trains.
The train at platform 12 is the 12:58 Southern service to London Victoria via Crystal Palace. Calling at New Cross Gate, Brockley, Honour Park, Forest Hill, Sydney, Crystal Palace, Gypsy Hill, West Norwood, Streatham Hill, Balham, Wandsworth Common, Clapham Junction, Battersea Park and London Victoria.
Due to short platforms, passengers for
West Norwood
should board the front.
7 coaches.
Passengers for
Battersea Park
should board the front.
8 coaches.
This train has
10 coaches. Platform 12 for the 12:58 Southern service to London Victoria
via
Crystal Palace. Train at platform 14 is the 13:01 Southern service to East Croydon via Tulse Hill. Calling at South Bermondsey, Queen's Road, Peckham Rye, East Dulwich, North Dulwich, Tulse Hill, Streatham Common, Norbury, Thornton Heath, Selhurst and East Croydon.
this train has
6 coaches. Platform 14 for the 13:01 Southern service to East Croydon via Tulse Hill. The train at platform 11 is the 13:10 Southern service to Caterham and Tattenham. Calling at Beckenham Junction, East Croydon, South Croydon, Redhill and Redhill, where the train departs. Please travel in the front 5 coaches of the train for Kenley, Whiteleaf South and Caterham. Please travel in the rear 5 coaches of the train for Redhill, Coulsdon Town, Woodmansterne, Chipstead, Kingswood, Tadworth and Tattenham Corner.
Due to short platforms, passengers for
South Croydon and Purley Oaks
should board the front 8 coaches.
Platform 11 for the 13:10 Southern service to Caterham and Tattenham Corner.
This is a security message. If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sorted.